Pro gap trading. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the pro gaps. Pro gaps are the professional gap which are made by the professional traders, the big budget traders in the market. And this type of gap is one of many gaps that occur in the stock market. And let me tell you that the gaps play a very important role in technical analysis, and understanding them will help you a lot as a trader. And some of these gaps are like the breakout gap, runaway gap, and exhaustion gap. I have made a separate video where you can understand all of these three gaps. And in this video, we are going to understand the pro gaps, right from how these pro gaps are formed, how to identify them on the chart, what major role they indicate in the market, and how to trade them. So if you don't want to miss some pro trader stuffs that can make you money in the stock market, make sure that you're watching this video till the end. Do not skip it. And if in case you are new to this channel or not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do it so that you won't miss any upcoming videos or updates on the stock market and technical analysis. Alright, so let's start with this video by understanding the pro gaps. So these are the types of gaps that occur against the trend of the market. It is like there are two trends of the market, the uptrend and the downtrend. And the gap that occurs against the main trend is called as the pro gap. So let's say the market right now is in a downtrend. And in a downtrend, we usually see gap downs in the price. That is, the market gives a negative opening than the previous closing. And this thing is like normal in the downtrend market since the overall trend of the market is bearish. But in case of a pro gap, what happens is that instead of giving a gap down opening, the market actually gives a gap up. And in a downtrend, such type of gap up is called as pro gap. You can see on the screen the price gives a gap up and in fact sustains that gap up. And this is called as the perfect pro gap. And the pro gaps in the market actually indicate reversal in the trend. It is like if you see a pro gap in a trended market, there are likely chances of a reversal. And this is because in the downtrend, the bears were constantly controlling the market. But when a gap up opening, that is the pro gap opening, happens in the market, it indicates that the bulls are trying to gain the control over the market. And when the opening sustains, it even confirms that. So we can go bullish when we find such setup in the market. But let me tell you that you will need confirmation for a pro gap. And how to get that confirmation, I will show you further in the video along with an example. But before that, let us understand how a pro gap occurs in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, we usually see the gap up opening in the market, which is like a normal thing because we know there will be of course bullishness in an uptrend. But when there happens a gap down, which is actually a pro gap, we understand that the bears are trying to take the control over the market and there may be a chances of reversal because a sustainable gap down opening in uptrend simply indicates us that the dominance of bears in the market is increasing and we can see the market retrace for a long time or take a complete reversal. But it is like everything in the market requires a confirmation. Every pro gap, every candlestick pattern or any buying or selling opportunity in the stock market requires some confirmation. And we can confirm this pro gap by using support and resistance. And for this purpose, we can use price action, moving average, or maybe trend line or even Fibonacci retracement tool. Let me show you with an example. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of the Bank Nifty index. And over here, we can identify a support level for the price. And exactly over you can see we got a gap up opening in a downtrend, which is actually called as the pro gap. And after that, the market took a slight reversal and went bullish. And similar thing has recently happened in the market. That is, after a strong downtrend, we got a gap up opening. And this actually indicated a reversal. And one more example on the same chart is the pro gap opening over here. In an uptrend, we got a gap down opening which even sustained. And we can even identify a resistance level for the price at this pro gap. So it is like you have to look out whether the pro gap or candlestick pattern you are trading upon is confirmed or not. And that is how you can actually confirm the pro gap. That is when it happens on the support and resistance or near the support and resistance. Alright, so let me show you one more example. And this is the daily chart of the Nifty index. And you see we kind of identify a support zone for the price over here. And in this support zone, the market gives a pro gap opening. And after that, the price goes bullish. And also even here, you can notice the same thing. So that is how you can follow a strategy, a setup and make money in the market. But remember to always keep in mind the risk and money management while taking any kind of trade. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible and do not miss such many content on the stock market, technical analysis and trading make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.